Dear Ambassador, dear guests, dear Bühler team, I welcome you to the opening of our service station in Thailand. And I would like to say congratulations to all of you for this opening. And I would like to ask Barry, who is responsible for the region, Barry, why did we put up this service station in Thailand?
Well, our ultimate goal is to really ensure customer success, engineer customer success. And to do that, the customer proximity has become very important. And furthermore, Bühler has becoming more and more towards industrial sourcing provider from the previous engineering and machinery company.
Well, that fits very well into our strategy, because we have to understand the markets, we have to understand customer proximity, we have to be close to our customers in Thailand in order to fulfill our obligation. And in that respect, I'm really happy to see that the service station came to life and became true in an exciting market. Well, then I would like to welcome you all and thank you very much, Mr. Ambassador, dear guests, to be with us. I hope you will enjoy this day together with the Bühler team. I wish you all the best, a lot of success, and I will be very happy to see you in the near future. Thank you very much.
Thank you.